Now we have already known about this for loop. Now let's talk about the while loop. So let's clear the terminal at first. So we create a class over here at first. And now let's provide an integer value at first. Let's say int a is equal to 1. Okay, and we go with while loop. Now what is while loop? We say while a is less than 10, print a and increment the value of a. Let's make it up to 10. Okay, so now let's see what happens. Well, it prints the number starting from 1 to the number 10. How it does it? So at first, what we're doing, we are initializing the value of a as 1. Now let's say, what is this while? We are checking an condition over here that whether the value of a is less than or equals to 10. And in this line, that is in line number 5, we are printing the value of a. Okay, in this line we are incrementing the value of a. Now what happens? First, we have the value of a as 1. Okay, so after that we are checking over is the value of a is less than you say less than, right? Yeah, is less than or equals to 10. It says yes, so it's get into the loop, and over here it prints the value of it. Then it increments the value of a by 1. Then the value of a becomes 2. Then it comes over here, is the value of a is less than or equals to 10? Yeah, it is. And then it comes over here and prints the value of a, which is 2 at the point, at the second time of the loop, right? And then it comes over here, then again the value of a is incremented to 3, and it comes over again, and then it comes over again, it prints the value of a as 3, and this process continues. Now the time comes when the value of a is 11 at a point, right? So now over here it checks is the value of a is less than or equals to 10, which is no, it is not. So it gets out of the loops, thus the loop gets to an end and our program gets printed. That is 1 to 10. Let me show you. this over here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if we would have to make the same thing in reverse order, what we would have done? Let's give it a try, right? Okay. So we say that A starts from 10, and then A will be greater than or equals to 10. And then we print the value of A, and then we decrement the value of A. Okay. So we say that this is not less, this is greater than or equals to 10. Then we are printing the value of A, and then in this line we are decrementing the value of A. That is, in this case it will be 9, right? So now let's try to print it and see what comes. I made a mistake over here. Let's see what's the mistake. A starts from 10 and it will be greater than or equals to 1 over here. Okay, now let's give it a go. Yeah, there it is. See, and we have to make a change over there also. That is greater than or equals to 1, as it is counting down like 10, 9, 8, 7, and the last value will be 1. That is why we have to write 1 over here. Okay, is that clear? Now let's move to the next part. That's it till the video. Let's meet in the next part.